Hi, Miss Mayring Mesa. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day to all employers. I'm Mayring Michelle Mesa. I'm 34 years old and I'm single parent. I have one daughter. She's 11 years old. I'm here in Philippines.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 5 siblings, 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in abroad in Hong Kong. I work as a domestic helper since 2023 to 2024. I serve 4 members, 2 adults and 2 kids. The 2 kids is 5 years old and 3 years old, and I work 1 year and 2 months due to incidents. And also, I work in Philippines. Here, I serve 3 members. 2 adults and 1 newborn baby.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and understanding. I'm humble and I'm respectful.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have tattoo and at the back.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad as I high salary. I can see myself to start my dream and also to help my daughter's future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I can handle the naughty kids. I can talk them slowly and patiently. Then I will give attention for them to play, reading the book, or to study.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I can sing nursery song. Baby shark toot-toot-toot, baby shark toot-toot-toot, baby shark. Daddy shark toot-toot-toot, daddy shark toot-toot-toot, daddy shark.
Okay, very good. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do responsibilities. I will be hardworking, trustworthy. I will be humble, understanding, and also I will treat your family as my family. I will respect them, and especially your kids. I will love them as my own kid. Thank you.